Now coming to stocks, which sectors are safe bets in Indian stocks?
India is a growth story. Country is growing at a rate of 8%, 9%, and this trend is likely to continue because we are spending on infrastructure. The middle class population is there. There is a domestic market. The entire structure of the economy is such that we are going to grow at around these rates for the next 3 to 4 years. As a result, the economy and all the corporates are going to do well.
What is your forecast on Indian stocks?
Indian stocks are likely to do very well because the economy is growing at a fast clip. As a result, the corporate results will be good. It is basically fed because the Asian economies will do well and Indian domestic consumption is growing. So the corporates in India, because of their good governance also, and plus they have a very big market, domestic market, the performances are going to be, year on year growth is going to be there. So that will reflect on the EPS and the PE ratios. And Western money, capital flows, wherever there is growth, capital is going to come here.
What should be the best investment strategy now?
We always follow that you should invest in established companies with a good market leadership position in the sectors they operate in. And that is the way we've been doing, and it is giving good results. It is giving good consistent results rather than very, very superlative results which cannot be sustained over a long period of time. So we usually tend to invest in A group shares where all the companies have a very good track record and they have a leadership position in the sectors they operate in.
Any good stocks you would like to recommend for long-term investment?
Because the entire global situation is so fluid, we are still sticking to a good portion of cash position and also investing in defensives. As soon as we are sure that of a trend that the market is going to follow, then we will be placing aggressive bets. But as of right now, we are still with FMCG and pharma and defensive shares.
Thank you.
Thank you.